Good afternoon, dear students. As we completed in the previous class, how the consumers, we people, suffered, cheated by the business people in our daily, day-to-day life affairs. As consumer, we are all buying the things for our livelihood, for our happy family, domestic life. Not for we are going to resell. We are not a retail trader. So the final consumer while buying, how far we are so suffered, exploited, paying at higher price, doing all illegal adulteration, selling duplicate items, and creating artificial scarcity and wrong advertisement. Keep on telling so many ways how we are so affected. About that, all what we studied in the previous class. Yes. And let me share something before going to start the next subunit in this lesson. What's the solution for this? All social terrorism. This lesson we are going to see as consumerism. So, dear students, before going to start directly our commerce, let me share something about the in and around home now. What's going? What was happen? What is happening? What will going on? What will be happen tomorrow? Yes. Well, we are all so busy with academic work, teaching, learning, writing, test and all. But among so many Bajji Madan, as we know very well, so many Bajji Madans here, so many Bonda Muthu, Burota Muthu, all. Among those all, our greatest, so proud to call him as our golden son of this red soil, Mr. Neeraj Chopra, who won the gold medal just 2-3 days back in the Tokyo Olympic event. I hope that you have all enjoyed that winning. Let's extend our heartfelt thankfulness. So not only this Neeraj Chopra, but also many of our Tamilachigal, Sudha, Revati, Pondra, golden girls also took part in that Olympic event. And because of their hard work and effort, what our India was in the 67th or 66th place before that. But because of that gentleman, that young boy, real hero, the son of our red soil, that diamond boy Neeraj Chopra brought our India from 6th, 7th to 67th place to 47th to 46th place, I think so. So here now we are going to celebrate next week Sunday our 75th Independence Day. So 67வது இடத்துல இருந்த இந்தியாவை 47வது இடத்துக்கு கொண்டு வந்தான். It's not a world achievement, ma? So proud of him. And all those, the people, the teachers, the coaches, their parents, their friends, relatives, who have extended their support to come up to this level. Let us extend our heartfelt thankfulness to all of them. And with that great happy heart, let me start our commerce class now. Okay, good. God bless them and you too also. Yes, dear students, keep on telling that we people are suffered a lot But what is the solution? What is the solution for this all suffering? So that all the suffered people, what we studied yesterday, the outcome of these sufferings, these exploitations, which force us to do something, so that all the consumers, suffered people, fighting against this injustice, illegal trade practices, so which help us to form an association among ourselves to bring back the balance between the buyers and sellers. Both are equal. Let them do their business, but at the same time they should not cheat us too much. They should not loot us, misguide us. For that purpose only this consumerism was started. So particularly during 1960 in America, all the suffered consumers joined together and giving more pressure to the business community not to do this injusticeness. And because of that, all producers, sellers, businessmen, they realized the sufferings of the consumers. They accepted that consumer is so important. Because of them only we are able to do the business. So many things they are buying from us daily. For example, every day we are buying some notebook, some writing materials, stationery item, textile items, leather product items. But if we come to bring to home and if we go through this, what we believe that 192 pages note count பண்ணி பார்த்தோம்னா அதில் 170 pages தான் இருக்கு. And a pen, pencil, notebook all not that much so what we expected the quality also. So daily buying we are cheated. So what's the solution? So that all those sufferings which force us to form an association, a movement in 1960 against this social terrorism. As I pointed out yesterday's class, so many isms like socialism, communism, capitalism, like that. In this order, that consumerism also now joined together. Okay, so this is the root how this consumerism has developed. Let me read the definition given there. Consumerism is an attempt to enhance the rights and powers of buyers in relation to sellers, which explain us that consumerism, which tells us, which shows this is our right, this is our powers, this is our place, this is our role. Be bold, be aware of that. Then only the sellers will not misguide us, cheat us, like that. That awareness to be created in the minds of the consumers. See another definition given by famous author Philip Kotler. Consumerism is not limited to organized efforts only, but it's a social movement seeking to augment in the rights and powers of buyers in relation to sellers. So they are showing us, they are strengthening us, they are telling this is our role, this is our place, this is our rights. If they do this, we can have our rights to question them. We can have rights to point out their illegal practices. Okay, so this is our way to go and fight against them. Okay, so that now slowly that consumerism was developed against this injusticeness and also correcting this injusticeness. தொழில் அநீதிகள் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம்லம்மா, பிஸ்னஸ் பண்ணுறவன் the main motive to earn profit there, that we want oppose it, but there must be a genuine way இருக்குல்லம்மா, that we have to show to them. So all those suffered people join together and the fight against this unfair trade practices and injustices with a way to remove away from the society, or at least to reduce to some extent this social evils. There are so many thousands of countless examples we can show how they are cheating us in a daily life. As we pointed out, as we are aware of already, supply of unsafe products, adulteration, charging more price, following some tricks, ketta professional business ethics into wrong advertisement இல்லைம்மா, அப்புறம் black marketing, poor quality. So these are all which completely misguide us, spoil our mind, our life, not only material, as our health also being suffered. Okay, so to fight against that social unjustness, we can say the whole world aware of that there must be a consumer movement against this all social evils. அதுக்கு பின்னாடி தான் throughout the world they came to realize the consumerisms, the importance of consumerism. Just what is given in the book, the importance of consumerism given, let me read. Awakening and uniting consumers. Yes, the consumers, we are unaware of that, we doesn't know what's going, how they are cheating us. So it is the bound duty of those are all the association to make the consumer aware of this all those things, illegal things, and unite the consumers at one point, so that the outcome of which what happen to reduce, to discourage the business people to run this type of illegal trade activities. Second, therefore the consumers can be to some extent protected against these exploitations. ரத்தத்தை உறிஞ்சி குடிக்கிறோம் சொல்கிறாங்களாம்மா, அது எக்ஸ்ப்ளாய்டேஷன் சொல்லுவோம். So not only the business people, to make the government also to agree with that, accept our grievances, take the matters suffering to the knowledge of government also. So which make the government to think about how to stop this all by way of passing so many acts. That's the fifth point. And thereby to circulate the latest, the updated informations about the product, price, quality, owners, legal formalities all. So ultimate goal is to discourage this type of anti-social activities. சமூகத்துக்கு விரோதமான நடவடிக்கைகள் தொழில் நிறுவனங்கள் செய்வதை தடுத்து நிறுத்தணும் அப்படிங்கிறத the ultimate goal is the main importance of the consumerism. So keep on just mere speaking, what's the use? Before that, once more going to see how it was developed from that level to up to this today's level. About that now, its origin and evaluation and growth also we are going to see now. Okay, once the industrial revolution took place, as we know very well, the agriculture sectors completely diverted towards industrial sectors. So all those became very mass investment, mass production, mass dealings, mass deals, mass sales. So everything completely changed, even our likes and dislikes, everything. So because of that, all those things, it's very easy for them to cheat the consumers, to cheat the workers in the industry. Even the women members also, they started forming an association in America to fight against this all illegal things. Okay, well, so many acts also passed to overcome all those things. So consumers also became so aware of that. So because of our weakness, our innocence, they are taking advantages. These are all things very late they came to realize, the consumers. So that the first consumer movement was marked a shift towards recognizing the centrality of consumers to the nation's economy and politics. Without consumer, no business, no politics, no government, no life, no business avadanta. So that much effort they all took. Okay, ma. So what was happened throughout the world, all the people, they came to realize the importance of consumer movement. Even the middle class people also joined together and they formed National Consumers League, asking the good quality of product, demanding the standardized product. And the government also came to realize. And as we know very well, majority of the consumers, even all the world countries, are well educated, well known people. So they came to realize the role of consumers. But in India, entirely differ from foreign affairs. Here the population is too much, and also not able to follow the latest technologies up to their level. Even today also, we are very far away from foreign countries, and having very less purchasing power, working more but earning very less. Only making profit is the main ultimate final goal of the business people. They never bother about consumer satisfaction all. So because of the all sufferings, the consumerism was started, emerged. And they came to realize, yes, consumers are the king, the center point in the business world. Even particularly in our India, different religious people, different customs, different languages, different family mind setup. But what to do? So, and also majority of the people in India, particularly in India, below poverty line. So what to do? Something to be done to protect them. Keeping all those things in mind, that movement was started. So அதில் என்ன பர்டிகுலராக பார்க்க போனோம்னா, ரால்ஃப் நாடார்னு சொல்லுவோம். he is called as, proudly called as, the father of consumer movement. He only started very first the consumer movement against this illegal business dealings. Because of that, nowadays we can see throughout the world, Britain, Netherlands, Denmark, Kenya, and all over the world countries, they formed so many acts. Particularly the United Nations General Assembly has adopted a set of general guidelines for the consumer protection. Okay, well, that much level now, it became more important, the consumer movement. Okay, well, thank you, students. With that, I would like to finish this today's class, and rest of things we are going to see in the next class. Okay, well, good. So after watching this class, as usual, again, the need for consumerism. Okay, well, the need for consumerism. Just write one test and take photo and send to me. The need for consumerism. Need for consumerism. This is consumerism, need for consumerism. And the rest of things we will see in the next class. Okay. See you. Bye.